Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have right here. This is a safe, and it comes with keys and information and stuff. Comes with a quick lock, quick start guide, and we got foam on it. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay, everybody, here is the safe, and it's super easy to work. The way it works is, it's super easy to open and close. You can do this and that and this. And so there, now it's locked. You can open it with the key if you pull this little tab up here and then put the key in there, or you can just use your code. And then you hear a little click and you can open it that way. So that's pretty cool. And you can program in new codes. You can just hit, I think it's the X and then the top button over here. I'm going to show you guys one second here. On the back side here, you can see there's these buttons here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but the top one is the one you'll hit when you want to program a new code. The middle one is the one to connect to the little wireless thing, so you can use an app. And I can't remember what the bottom one is for, but I'll show you guys what I did here. So I'm gonna go, I'll show you guys 1 second. Let me move you over here. And there is this contraption here. So this here is a little gateway. Oop, I just pushed the button. It's the gateway, and this gateway connects the safe to the internet. So then I can connect, open it from anywhere. So if I had a Airbnb or something like that, and I wanted to be able to open my my safe from outside the place, I could connect to it from an app here. And right now I'm on my network, but you get the idea. But you could do this, and then I could just say unlock. Oh, well, let me lock it first. Okay, we're locked. I can go ahead and push the unlock button. Okay, it says unlock, confirm, and then it's going to send it through the internet over to the little gateway and then back to the lock. And oh, there it is. And now open it up, and then I can go ahead and open it. So that's really cool that you can open it remotely. So that is cool. So totally cool if you wanted to leave keys to devices or things like that in there. You totally have the ability to do that. For me, I'm just using it from my home. I'm going to be putting in just some fun stuff, whatever, probably candy bars. But how cool is that? It's a great little safe, super awesome, super easy to use, and I love it. Thumbs up.